Hello, this is another topic about faciemo, learning application tool like a memo, which you can try how good you are at remembering human hands, so maybe potentially I hope someday improve this ability. And for that, what do? You see face by one another, and if you see the same face twice, you click seen, otherwise not seen, and if you are guessing correctly, then it's in green, otherwise it's in red. The main problem with this tool for me as a developer and designer was where to get human faces, because, well, models are expensive, and I utilized for that AI, of course, AGI, which I could both create human face and check its background and potentially even its location, angles, etc. One of the obvious issues with everything which is AGI generated is that some images are visibly AGI generated, and originally I checked manually. Thus, it appears that sometimes I could pass, for example, this image I somehow passed, considered as good, and this one as well. And if you see that this is obviously that such eyes are not that good, and such image fingers actually doesn't catch eye, but actually they are not good as well. So I needed, besides that, with human manual checks of images one time you consider that it's okay, another could say that it's not okay. I need more consistency, and for that I utilized library. Decided one is face mesh and another is OpenCV. So face mesh do something like that, and so as all my images are generated with the same property and have the same size, I could assume basic location of where eyes are and where his mouth should be. So I get landmarks from the mesh, and just knowing about most details of the image, I could compare location of eyes, nose, etc. For most cases, at least. The same for fingers. So, and you see, I think that actually I don't like fingers at all, but let's say that maximum fingers should be 2 and so on. So if there are many fingers, I consider that most probably it will be not good, and actually it's true. So I have quite cases of that, and well, I would say that in most cases I achieved at least the same uniform answer to whether the image is good or bad. And mostly when manually checking what was by this approach considered as AGI, yes, it's quite odd faces. So basically with AGI one can not only generate but also check the image.